Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Vrbo owner account problem. So to resolve this issue, if there is a login and an app problem, you can just simply clear the browsing data. You can start by clearing your browsing data. For web dashboard, glitches, delete your cache and cookies. Now the next what you can do is update the Vrbo owner app. If you're using the mobile app and cannot switch between properties or view bookings, just go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then find Vrbo vacation rentals. And if you see an update option available here, just tap an update to get the latest version. Now, you can also try a different device. If the app or your desktop browser is failing, you can simply try logging in from a different computer or web browser. Now, if your account is logged out due to incorrect verification codes, just simply contact support to regain access. Now, if the self-service fixes do not work, Vrbo also offers 24/7 support, which is one of the quickest way to get help. Just open your Vrbo vacation rental app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then scroll down to help and feedback, and tap Chat Now for the live chat with a virtual assistant of a Vrbo app. Now, if you prefer to speak to a representative, just request a callback or find the direct support phone number for your reason via the chat or help section on your Vrbo dashboard experience. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.